What's going on, guys? Rob with 3 Strong here. Do you remember this? Does this look familiar to you? Not my bicep, but that. Anywho, this is the template that I use to create those high-intensity bodyweight circuits that I've presented in the past couple of videos. It's 4 to 6 rounds, 30 seconds on, so 30 seconds of high-intensity work, and then 30 seconds of rest, and then 30 seconds of more work of another exercise, 30 seconds of rest, and then you just go back and forth until you've finished all your rounds. 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. It's just that simple. And in each of those videos, so the first one was push-ups, as fast as you can go, and then squat jumps. So we have a upper body pushing motion, and then we have a lower body squatting kind of power motion. So it's a full body workout. Next one was split jumps, so a lower body kind of single leg power exercise, and then burpees, which is a full body conditioning exercise. And those are just a couple of the combinations that you can use. So you can still use that same template. So let's just say that we're going to keep it a push and keep it a squat movement. So we have overhead press, bench press. We can still do the push-ups. We can do handstand push-ups, whatever crazy thing you want to do. Anything where you're pushing the weight, dips, you can do dips. And then a squat motion, so that's your box jumps, that's your goblet squats, that's your bodyweight squats, that's a barbell back squat if you want to do that. Lunges, all that stuff. Single leg squat. It's once you know the category, you can use that as your baseline template, and you can plug in an infinite combination of movements. So let's just kind of extend this out a little bit. If you want to do more of a upper body focused workout, then let's go with a push again, but then let's go with a pull exercise. So in addition to all the bench press and overhead press and all that stuff that we talked about, we can now combine that with the reverse motion, which would be pull-ups, bent over rows. You can use dumbbells, kettlebells, barbells, anything like that. Single arm, alternating. You can make it fun. Body weight rows. So the list goes on and on. If we want to go, say, more lower body focused, let's go with a hinge or deadlift type motion here. And then we go with a squat motion. So a great combination that comes to mind to absolutely blast, boy that looks funky, to absolutely blast the lower body would be you go 30 seconds of kettlebell swings. So it's going to help the glutes, hamstrings, back, everything. Go hard for 30 seconds. And then on that next movement, you do goblet squats. You still use the kettlebell, grab the kettlebell, and you're going to do your goblet squats. Awesome combo for the lower body, even if you wanted to change it up. So I've done, obviously upper body, lower body, upper body, lower body. Now, if you want to do, say, cardio, and then whatever kind of strength movement you want after that. So say, we have a cardio movement. If you're at the gym and you have a treadmill, or let's just say like the rower or something, you would hop on, go as hard as you can on that treadmill or rower. If you're on the treadmill, I would definitely recommend that you just set it, hop off to the side, get off the treadmill, and then go do whatever exercise, your squat jumps, your push-ups, something easy that you can do next to the treadmill. And then once you get back on, straddle the treadmill, and boom, you're right back into the sprints. I am not responsible for anything that happens on the treadmill, but anyway, that's a great way if you want to sprint, so it's a little bit easier than doing it outside or whatever. But anyway, these combinations are infinite. So kind of pick a couple of movements, give it a shot, try it out. I want this to be fun. I don't want this to be so structured, but at least you have a framework, a template to work with, and then be creative on top of that. Okay, guys? Try it. Love it. Hate it. I don't care. Learn it and live it, baby. Let's do this. See you tomorrow.